What is up, everybody? Mark here from The Average Kitchen, doing an awesome review on the highly anticipated Ninja Thirsti. Very, very difficult for us to get this. We finally got our hands on it. Not cheap, $300 Canadian. I hope it's worth the hype. So here's the machine. Jamie, I don't know if you can get a little side shot here. We got a little CO2 cartridge loaded, ready to go in that little hidden compartment. And it comes with this little cool starter pack. And the starter pack, I'm gonna open it up, very well packaged, I must say, has 8 different types of, what do they call these, Jamie? Pods? It's Splash, classic sparkling drinks with a hint of fruit flavor without sweetness. Then it's vitamins, drinks with B vitamins that pack a punch of flavor, sweetened. Then it says hydrate, thirst quenching drinks with electrolyte, sweetened. And energy, drinks with 50 milligram of invigorating caffeine, also sweetened. I believe a 3-pack, when I was looking online, a 3-pack of these are like $22. So they're not cheap. They say in the book, what, Jamie, once you open them, they're good for 30 days, which that's a little bit of a drag for me. The book, I must say, Ninja dropped the ball on this. Ninja normally has fantastic books. This book's just like something you printed at home and put a couple staples in, like it's flimsy. We weren't impressed. But anyway, I think the plan today is to try, what, one of each of these, Jamie? Is that what we're gonna do? The other thing I must say is they have 3 different carbonation levels. 4, so still water, not carbonated, minimal carbonation, medium, and then like knock your socks off. So we're gonna try all of those as well. First thing I thought of was, what does it cost to replace the CO2 and how long is it gonna last? Not cheap. I think it was a 2-pack on Ninja's website was $60 or $70 for 2 cartridges of CO2. And they say in the book, roughly we'll do 100 drinks. So I think this is gonna be like a luxury item. I don't know if it's gonna be more cost effective to buy one of these, buy these pods, buy the CO2 rather than go and buy a case of pop, or as our friends in the States call it, soda or bubbly or whatever you like. So I grabbed this as a Splash, unsweetened raspberry. So we're gonna get that loaded and give it a try. All right, so a little bit of a learning curve here for us. So the lid flips open and kind of sits back. And then this sort of just sits into place and clicks. I felt the little click. So I grabbed a vitamin infused one. This is orange tangerine. There, click that in place, boom. Plugging it in might help. So the other thing I have to grab is our water reservoir. And why I've left that in the fridge, it's got, and I'm gonna show it to you when I grab it, they suggest the colder the water, the better product you're gonna get. So filled that up, put it in the fridge overnight. We ran a what do they call that, Jamie? Like a clean purge, rinse on this. And then the water's been in the fridge overnight. So let me grab that. So what you can see, and you have to take my word for it, is the little plunger on the bottom is blue. When it came in the package, or if it's at room temperature, it's white. So they say that that's how you know if the water is the proper temperature. All right, so I'm gonna explain to you the control panel here. And excuse me, I gotta take my glasses off. I'm getting old now. My glasses don't really read close up that well. So you have 2 levels here, and it may be hard to see. And you'll see here you can either go classic or bold, which is the strength or how strong you want the flavor pack. So we're just gonna start on 1. You'll see here you can go still, sparkling 1, 2, or 3, and then you can select your cup size as well. So we're just gonna do a sparkling 1, cup size, we'll do the second size, and we'll just do the normal, not the bold to start. Inaugural run of the Ninja Thirsti here. Ooh. Boom.
Don't remove your glass till you hear the chime.
Okay, the famous Ninja chime. Thank you, Jamie. Now, first glance, looks pretty nice. Okay, so that's pretty small, but that's okay. We just want to see how they taste. Okay, the Ninja chime. So, moment of truth. Raspberry, low fizz on the classic setting. Smells good. So the carbonation is low, but it's still there. The raspberry is very subtle, but it's definitely there. I'm an ice guy. I probably would have had ice in the glass, and I may do this for the next test to put ice in it, but it tastes good. All right, so as I was downstairs getting some ice, Jamie, our tech guy, ran through a few things with me. He was saying that you can only combine the two flavors if you're at the highest volume level.
3 bigger sizes.
The 3 bigger sizes. Your fizz button, I call it the fizz button, carbonation button, will turn orange when you're getting low on CO2. And the reason it went in 2 bursts is because it only dispenses 6 ounces at a time. So just some general information. So we're gonna bump up our level to level 2. We're gonna go bold. We'll keep the same size and we're gonna hit start. That was close. That is nice looking. You know, maybe a little alcoholic splash in there might be good. Well, if I'm totally honest, I don't notice a huge difference. Jamie?
I would say the difference in both the flavor and the carbonation is minimal.
Minimal.
There is an increase.
Minimal.
But not much.
Okay. Let's try tangerine. So the highest carbonation level on bold with tangerine.
All that being said, it's good.
Oh, it's great. It's good. I just don't know if that is measurable, the amount of carbonation and the flavor. It is slightly increased, but again, minimal.
That's good.
I do like minimal drippage afterwards. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. On that one, I definitely noticed a difference in the carbonation. The flavor is actually fantastic in it, but you get that punch in the back of your throat from the carbonation.
That's like you just opened
a fresh can of pop. That's what you want right there. Yeah. All right, so I wanted to show you, and maybe we'll be able to see the transformation. Do you see in the bottom, the plunger here is now white? So that's because our water is not, in their opinion, sufficiently cold. There, blue. So, is that a problem? Is that a game changer that it needs to be cold? I don't know. Jamie said he looked it up. You can actually buy 2nd or 3rd water reservoirs, because if not, you can make 2 drinks, maybe 3 drinks on 1 water reservoir, and then you gotta get freezing cold water back in there in order to make another drink. So we're gonna actually try now, in fairness to the machine, because we tried it, we didn't notice a difference. We thought maybe it was from the ice. So we're gonna go on the 2nd carbonation level, bold, raspberry, to give that a try to see if maybe the ice nullified that level of carbonation. So level 2 carbonation, bold, raspberry. Does it make a difference? I'm gonna say no.
I'm gonna disagree.
Oh, wow.
I think it's more fizzy than the first time with the ice.
On a level 2.
On the level 2.
Okay, we'll agree to disagree.
But definitely the higher fizz is way higher.
One thing that we could say for sure is the level from 1 to 3 is a significant jump. From 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, not as big of a jump. Maybe, it's hard to measure, but when you go from 1 to 3, definitely a big jump. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pop this down, get a little bit on my hands here apparently. I'm gonna take that out. You'll see there's no mess there. Snap that closed. Take this one out, snap that closed. Now we have an energy that has caffeine in it, peach mango, and we have a hydrate with electrolytes in it, strawberry kiwi. So we're gonna give those a try and see what they taste like. And I think to do a thorough review, I think we'll try one of them on still as well, just to see what that tastes like. Presumably it should just be like juice. And I struggle with these, putting them in for whatever reason. So let's go now to still. And it might be really hard to see these on camera, and I actually find that I wish the display was a little bit bigger. So still, bold, strawberry kiwi. All right, let's have a look. Beautiful color, like really nice. Ooh, actually smells really good. Almost smells like Kool-Aid. Ooh, that is good. By far the best flavor so far. That's not getting dumped out, I'm drinking that. That's really, really, really good. All right, so let me clean another glass here and let's get, we're gonna try the, what was it, peach mango?
Peach mango.
Peach mango with caffeine. So we're gonna turn that off. We're gonna go to our peach mango strong carbonation level. Jamie? Let's go with 3. Okay, we're gonna go 3.
If you're going for fizz, you're going for 3.
Like, if you want fizz, carbonation, like, punch me in the face. I love the full fizz. Like, bring it on. Jamie is a bit of a fizz connoisseur here. Bit of a fizz guy. Loves it. So Jamie was just saying off camera in between us doing this that both of us were a little hesitant, maybe a little pessimistic with this machine, whatever. We are blown away right now. Like live, blown away. It's functioning well. The flavor profiles are, and I mean, there's still 4 here we haven't even tried. It's fantastic. So we're gonna get crazy now, and we're gonna do a blend of the strawberry kiwi and the peach mango on full fizz, but as you can see, the old water reservoir needs to be filled up again, so I'm gonna fill that up and we'll be right back. All right, so I think the key is here, keeping ice on board and reloading your water with ice turns this blue almost instantly. You do have to give it a stir. The other aspect is, initially when we were getting ready to shoot this video and we were sort of planning, we were like, we'll try a couple different flavors. But Jamie, being Jamie, is like, well, someone's gonna say, how come you didn't try the lime or how come you didn't try the lemon? So we're getting crazy here. We're trying all 8 flavors, just so you know. So we wanna do a blend of the strawberry mango, the strawberry kiwi peach mango, bold, combo, full sparkling, right? All right. So this should be good. So just while this is happening, just so you know, the other flavors that we're gonna look at here is lemonade, which I think has potential to be amazing, straight lemon, watermelon lime, and straight lime. So, I mean, you wanna talk about a blend or a combination, you go lemon lime, I don't know, pretty good. I still struggle with, once it's open, it's only good for 30 days. On the bottom side, it shows it expires in October 2024, which is almost a full year from now, 11 months from now. I don't know why when they say they're open, they're only good for 30 days, but I guess I'll let you be the judge of that at home of how you want to handle that. All right, we're just talking about this much debated topic here about the expiry dates. I mean, it shows here October 14th, 2024. As you could probably see, and Jamie, I don't know if you can zoom in here, it's completely sealed. There's like 2 little plungers that must go inside to break that seal. Said you can be the judge of that yourself. Okay, so this is the blend, the full Monty, right? Very, very good. I still say my favorite though is the standalone strawberry kiwi so far. All right, so for the next couple tests, we're actually gonna just do the smallest size so you can see. We're not gonna do a combination. We're gonna do lemon on bold. I think full fizz is the way to go, for me. Yeah, let's go. If you want fizz, okay. So this is lemon, straight up lemon. Okay, so quite a bit smaller glass. So this is just straight lemon. Extremely thirst quenching, very light, very, very Perrier-like. Yeah. Would you agree? Yeah. All right, so let's try the lime. All right, so just straight lime. Smells good. Literally tastes like fresh lime juice. Tastes like water with fresh lime in it. Hint, Jamie says, hint. All right, we're rolling along here. Jamie is very impressed as well, and I don't know if you picked up on that on the camera. The little light show that goes on after you put these in, it's kind of cool. So last we have lemonade, and this is, has vitamins in it, according to Ninja. And then we have watermelon lime with electrolytes in it. Now Jamie, zoom in please on the light show. Okay, Jamie has requested lemonade, bold, with #1 fizz. All right, so lemonade. The color's pretty nice. Ooh, Jamie's gonna like that one. A couple things I wanted to mention. Just off camera, I made my son, he's not a carbonation guy, doesn't like any carbonation, so I made him a still strawberry kiwi in a smaller glass. I noticed it was splashing, and Jamie brought it to my attention. I didn't realize that this actually flips down for shorter glasses So that, okay, thank you. So there, for a shorter glass, so that you don't splish and splash all over the place. So that's kind of slick. So now we were gonna try the last flavor, which was
Watermelon lime.
Watermelon lime. All right, let's go full Monty on that. Watermelon lime. Can it beat my favorite so far today of the strawberry kiwi? Let's find out. I can actually smell the watermelon. Ooh. Jamie's impressed. So, just for fun, my favorite flavor definitely is between that, the watermelon lime, was it?
Yeah.
And the strawberry kiwi. I don't even know if I could pick between the two, but those are definitely my two favorite flavors. Jamie, can I get yours?
I agree. Closely followed by the peach mango.
Peach mango is also, with caffeine, also very, very good. So, a couple things. Cleaning and maintenance. As you probably saw, the pods pop out pretty quickly. Snap the cap off, like so.
This comes out, I think. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So you'll see here, and there is a little bit, I don't know if you can see, a little bit of residual juice there, and you can see a bit on the tray here. I think it did say that you could just wipe that off with a cloth or with a towel, just to give that a little wipe. You can see a little bit of excess concentrated, whatever you call that stuff. And then how easily does that snap back in? Pretty easily. And the drip trays themselves here come out. There is a little bit of residual water in the bottom of this. This is all dishwasher safe top rack, correct, Jamie?
Yes.
Okay. And that is the extent of your cleaning and maintenance. It says that this should be cleaned roughly once a month, obviously depending on how often you make drinks. So size, it is quite tall. It is 16 inches tall, 15 inches deep, 5 inches wide. So unfortunately, this would not slide underneath my countertop or my cupboards with the molding for the under cabinet lighting. That's a bit of a factor for me. All right, so if you're a fan of The Average Kitchen, and we hope you are, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. You know that we are independent. We do unbiased, independent reviews. We buy all of the stuff ourselves. We are not affiliated whatsoever with Ninja. We ended up getting it from actually Canadian Tire, which was $50 more than the Ninja website, but in Canada, but Ninja Canada didn't have any in stock. So anywhere between $250 and $300. We do a scoring matrix where we score several things and give it an overall average kitchen score. So on price point, because it is on the more expensive side, we gave it a 7.4 out of 10. Functionality, we gave it a 9. It functioned extremely well. Even though I'm trying to look around this, which normally you wouldn't be doing. The buttons are easy to landmark. The pods are very easy to put in and take out. Versatility, so functionality, we gave it a 9. Versatility, very, very versatile. 2 different flavor pods. You can combine the 2 of them. You can make it bold or classic. 4 different carbonation levels. Still, we'll say small, medium, large amount of carbonation. 4 different cup sizes. So there's a lot of versatility there. So we gave that an 8.9. Cleaning, as you just saw, pretty quick and easy, 8.5. Size for me is the only kind of downfall, well, price as well, but just that it's a little bit too tall to slide under my countertop, but hey, it is what it is. So we gave that an 8.2, and overall quality, we gave it a 9.3. So that gives us an average kitchen score of 8.6, which again, if you're a fan of the show, you know that's a very high score for us. We thought it worked extremely well. Jamie, off camera, was just looking on the Ninja website. The flavors are endless. I mean, they had like tropical pineapple, coconut, what else? Dragon fruit, berry, like you name it, they pretty much have it. Grapefruit, water, you name it, they have it. So that's really, really exciting. I think a 3-pack of these was $21. So not cheap, but you can make a lot of drinks out of them. So that's our video. We really hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on our next review.